Good morning. Welcome you all. It is a great pleasure to have you all here. And as you know, the focus of this one-day focused conference is to talk about how ICT can help higher education institutions in bringing efficiency in teaching, learning, student interactions, administration, and the management, and also their visibility and marketing itself. The whole range of it. And the subject is of immense importance as the eminent speakers and delegates the presence show here. Just to mention that how all this started around 6 years back, we launched Digital Learning Magazine in World Summit on Information Society in Geneva. Conference around 30,000 ICT leaders had gathered there, and at that time our vision was simple, that a lot of ICT initiatives are being talked about, and education is primary backbone for any growth of an economy, and how ICT can help in education, and one should look at it deeply. And that's how this whole idea of a digital learning magazine was thought and created, and it's all on your desk. I think many of you are aware about it, and you can see it. Just think about it. There are hundreds of colleges, hundreds or thousands of them. Every year students struggle through various admission processes, and after that they have crossed the admissions, they are searching for notes from seniors, notes of or lectures of their teachers, copying from blackboards, copying assignments, and the whole gamut of it. What are all the aspects how ICT can help in bringing efficiency for everyone? What the student can learn in 1 year, can he learn in 6 months? Can he spend time on rest of his 6 months in increasing further his knowledge on other areas? Peer learning beyond his campus, learning beyond his state or country itself. So the digital environment provides humongous opportunities for the not only students, teachers, administrators, college owners themselves, to how do we expand their campuses and the areas of operations itself. So there's a whole area and a gamut of issues which can be addressed, and this conference is first in the series of the various focused conferences we will hold in ICT in higher education arena, including in all zones of the country. So I welcome you all, and I look forward to listening and interacting with you all over the day, and the ideas which come along here over the day you will see being reflected in the further issues of the Digital Learning magazine. Thank you very much.